Hello everyone, welcome back to another very important series of PUBDET English paper, English 2 paper, and welcome back to Dr. Saurav sir class. Hope all my students are doing fantastic. Hope they are studying, hope they are learning, hope they are preparing, and hope they are making their future bright with all assistance from everywhere, especially our videos and our tutorials. Okay, so let's focus on the question first, then we will talk about something else. So I think it is question number 3 from our PUBDET series of English literature. Okay, so match the following. We have got match the authors and their work from lists 1 and 2 given below. John Locke, John Milton, John Dryden, Jonathan Swift, Mac Flicken, an essay concerning human understanding, Allegro, A Tale of a Tub. Tell me. And the combinations are given. These are all 17th to 18th century work, literature. Okay, and they are the major English authors and their canonical works. Major English authors. Tell me. The first one is John Locke. John Locke has done an essay concerning human understanding. So basically we can say John Locke or John Locke, whatever the pronunciation is, he was a philosopher. He was a philosopher and he worked on epistemology, knowledge theory. Okay. Knowledge theory he focused on. So A will be 2. A2. Let's check out where we have got A2. See over here in C we have got A2, in B we have got A2. So we can easily strike out D and A. They won't be even considered. Why they won't be even considered? Because we do not have, the first option is wrong. Okay, C and A are in competition now. So 50-50. Okay. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में देखते हो ना, दो दो ऑप्शंस गायब हो जाते हैं, तो डी गायब हो गया, ए गायब हो गया, अभी रह गया है बी और सी. लेट्स लर्न फ्रॉम देयर. Next one is John Milton. Now tell me, John Milton. John Milton wrote this, El Allegro. Milton was poet, basically poet, famous for Paradise Lost. Okay. And it's a short lyrical poem. Clear? Short lyrical poem. So B will be 3, B3 over here, and we have got a correct answer, that is C. So see, we have already cracked the answers. Okay, we have already understood which one will be the correct one. Okay, so we have already cracked the answer and there are still 2 options left out, but before going for C and D we have already cracked the answer. And this is the power of elimination. This is the power of how to crack it with your this cracking the answer is very important, because it creates you don't have to go, if you have to know everything. With this you can also manage your answer paper. Number C is John Dryden, obviously, or he will be the C1 will be the option. It's John Dryden. Mac Flicken. Mac Fleckner, and Dryden was satirist. Okay, this work mocks Thomas Shadwell, basically. Next is Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift and It's a Tale of a Tub. Again, he was also a satirist. You know what satirist mean? I guess who uses some mockery in a very witty way, sarcasm to make you understand that. So there's a satirical way of saying. Okay, so known for Gulliver's Travel, very famous, right? Known for. A Tale of a Tub, that is there. And for example, for Locke, we can say he used basically some enlightenment philosophy. Philosopher to the he enlightenment philosophy. He used enlightenment philosophy. Milton used, we can say, basically he was famous for all these things. He used Puritan plus epic tradition. Okay, Milton used Puritan plus epic tradition. Okay, and then comes Dryden and Swift. They rise of satire in Restoration and Augustan age. So basically, they were the one who worked for the rise of satire. Satire in Restoration and Augustan age. Okay, so yes, we have solved this one also. So yeah, we have done on this one. So this is basically match the following, and hope you have understood this. There's nothing more to do. We have matched it. We have given you the names, given you the thinkers or philosophers or the writers we were talking about and their work. And if you have got some doubt, please call us in this number. Okay, have a lovely day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.